Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problems step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can delete your TikTok account permanently. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future videos. Let's move on. First step, after you open TikTok, you want to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you click on your profile icon, it's gonna bring you over here on your TikTok profile. Now once you're on your TikTok profile, at the top right corner you can see the three line. Once you see the three line, you want to click on it. Once you click on the three line, you can see the settings and privacy option at the bottom of your screen. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, the first option where it says manage account, you want to click on it. Now once you click on it, the second option where it says deactivate or delete account, click on it. Now once you're over here, it's gonna delete your account. Now before that, over here it's gonna ask you, do you want to deactivate or delete your account? So I want to delete my account. I'm gonna choose the second option, and over here you can click skip at the top, but if you want to choose an option you can. All right, but I'm just gonna go with skip at the top right. Now once I do that, it's gonna ask me to tick mark this over here at the bottom. I tick mark this and click and continue. Once I do that, after 30 days my TikTok account will be deleted, and within those 30 days don't log in into a TikTok account. If you log in into a TikTok account again within those 30 days, your deleting process will be cancelled. So leave your TikTok for 30 days, and after 30 days it's gonna be deleted. And if you want to request download of your data, you can click on request download to download all of your data from TikTok, like your age and like all the videos you have uploaded, your comment, your like, all those things are going to be downloaded, because once your TikTok is deleted, you cannot recover those things again. All right, so yes, that's how you guys can delete your TikTok account permanently. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.